The topic of our today's video is how to monetize your social traffic and earn money. Imagine you share a simple link on social media like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. People click on it and you get paid for the traffic. For this, you don't need to sell any product or set up any complicated system. Just need a smart link. In this video, I will show you how to monetize your social media traffic using Monetag Smart Link. One of the easiest way to start earning online today. And by the end of the video, you will learn exactly how to set it up and how the system works. Okay, first let's understand what is Monetag. Monetag is an advertising network that connects publishers, people like you who have traffic, with advertisers who want to show ads to users around the world. One of their most powerful tools is called Smart Link, also known as Direct Link. Instead of promoting a single advertisement, Monetag's Smart Link automatically detects the visitor's location, device, and behavior. Then it redirects the user to the most relevant ads available. So, when someone clicks on your link, they will redirect to the most suitable offers, advertisers pay for the traffic, and you will earn money. It's a simple system that works automatically. There are many monetization platforms now. So, maybe question is that why Monetag? Okay, there are several advantages of using Monetag. First of all, this platform has been operating for many years and ads available for users from almost any country. Second, Monetag offers competitive CPM rates, which can lead to better earning for publishers. Third, Monetag offers low payout threshold. That is just only $5, which is a great deal for the beginners. Fifth, Monetag provides 24 hours, 7 days support for publisher. If you are facing any problem, you can contact anytime, any day. So, it's a reliable and beginner-friendly platform to monetize social traffic. Okay, now go to the main point, how to use it or how to set up direct link or smart link of Monetag. The first step to set up the direct link of Monetag, you have to register to the Monetag site. So go to the website monetag.com. You can see there are two buttons: login for existing user or sign up for new user. I will not show how to register. It is very simple. You can do it by own. So you have to click on it and complete the registration process. After completing the registration, you will log into your dashboard by using your username, password, or email or password. One thing you must remember at the time of registration, must provide your real information and accurate information. Because when it's time to withdraw your earning, the platform needs valid information to process your payment. Using real detail ensures smooth, secure payments later. After completing the registration, you will get access to the Monetag Publisher dashboard. Okay, I will show you the dashboard here. After login, you will get this type of interface of the Monetag. First of all, in the dashboard, I will talk about the direct link. You will get it from here. If you click on it, here you will get a button, add direct link. I have already added a link here. If I click again here, then it will generate another direct link for me. You can see there are two links now. You can use multiple links in your social page or social network or any website and blog. Okay. And next I will discuss about the statistics section that we'll get in the top of the dashboard. And here you can track performance metrics such as CPM rates, impression, clicks, earning. This will help you to understand how your traffic is performing. I have just created the link, so no data is found here. After using the link, you will get some information here. Next, I will talk about the payment section that you will get from here. When your visitor or social traffic click on your link, then this statistical data will be changed and you will get some dollar information here. Here you can take your total earning, app level balance, and payout option. You can share your referral link with others, and when if someone registers through your link and become a publisher, you will earn 5% commission from their revenue. Okay. Next, I will show you how to use Monetag Smart Link with social traffic. Once you generate your smart link, you can place it in your different places online. Here, I have used my own blog site. So I will go to my website, and this is one of my blog posts where I have added a button. Check it out, and the direct link that I've created before. I have two links created before. I have used one of the link in my blog page. Here, how you can set the link, I will show it here. First, you will create the button and add the link. This is my direct link that I have generated from the Monetag website, and using anchor element, you can add this hyperlink. Okay, so the visitor will visit my site, and after reading my blog post, if the visitor click on it, then it will redirect to the advertiser page, and you will get the here. You can see the page is redirected to this page, which is showing the advertiser page. Video helpful. Don't forget to share it with others who want to earn about traffic monetization. Thank you for watching.